Okay, what we're going to look at now is calculating function values, and this is basically just substitution. So let's say, for example, that we have the function of x, or f of x, equals x squared plus 2x minus 3. Okay, when we're calculating function values, this just means we're putting various values in for x. So for example, if we want the function of 1, we substitute 1 in place of x, as we did last topic with linear equations. So we have 1 squared plus 2 times 1 minus 3. Okay, 1 squared is just 1, plus 2 times 1 is 2, minus 3. 1 plus 2 is 3, minus 3, so we get 0. So the f of 1 is equal to 0. Alright, let's try it again. The f of negative 1, and this is where you do need to be a bit more careful, because you have negative 1 squared, and you'll notice I always write them in brackets, and that means that then I tend to make fewer mistakes with this. So plus 2 times negative 1 minus 3. Minus 1 squared is just 1. Minus 2 minus 3. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 3 is minus 4. So this is the value for the f of negative 1. Okay. This is all we're doing for calculating function values. Okay, the main place that you do need to be careful is when you have something like f of x is equal to negative x squared minus 3x minus 2, or plus 2. Okay, so in an example like this, if we do the f of 1, it's minus 1 squared. Minus 3 times 1 plus 2. And you have to be careful here because, again, remember the indices in BIMDAS, okay, we do the brackets first, and in between the brackets is a 1. You can't do anything more with that. Okay, then we do the indices, and the indices means you do the 1 squared before the negative. So we have minus 1. Okay, then minus 3 plus 2. Okay, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 plus 2. Which is equal to minus 2. So that is the function of 1 in this case. Okay, if we do the f of, let's do negative 2 to be different here. Okay, then we have the minus of, the negative of negative 2 squared. Okay, minus 3 times negative 2 plus 2. Okay, so we get the negative of 4 plus 6 plus 2. So minus 4 plus 6 is 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. Okay, and this is the function of minus 2. Okay, so this is all we have to do for calculating function values. It's fairly easy, it's nice and straightforward, and as long as you're careful, you shouldn't have too many problems with it.